it's been a while. This is a John Deere skid steer. Look at those hours. With a little bit, it's a 317G. This joystick, back and forth, is up and down. Side to side is your bucket. With this joystick, ignore that. This joystick is your go. Forward, left, right. So, I had that backwards. Anyways, it runs pretty smooth. The bucket goes up and down pretty smooth. Bolt on, edge, quick attach. It's fun. It's fun. I know it's not a car. I'm normally doing cars, but now I'm doing campers, boats, and construction equipment like this. And I like this John Deere. So the bar right here, lift it up, the parking brake will come on. But other than that, it's a fun time. Fun time. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Till next time.